And now finally, in the basics, I'm going to teach you how to change some colors, add a shape and change the color of that shape, and yeah, change a font. Let's see. So let's try and put an a shape over here. So now I've selected the rectangle tool and I've created a shape. Now that's our shape. Now I want to color my shape. Now remember I told you to remember a very important shortcut key, which is F5. So once I press that, I have my color swatch. Now I'll be teaching you how to play with the color swatch. Like, this is the color red, like, and there are a few basic colors over here, but nothing really fancy. So if you want to add a swatch of your own, you need to click this button. It's the new swatch button, so let's click that. And right now it just copies whatever you had previously selected. So I selected yellow, and now if you want to change the color, you're gonna have to play with these sliders. Now if you're comfortable with RGB, I'm gonna suggest you go ahead and click that. Yeah, so whatever color you like. So let's say we like this color. Okay, I like that blue. So I click OK, and that's the color. So now if I want to rename this from RGB to whatever, I just double click it and I uncheck this this value, which is name with color value. So let's uncheck it, and now over here I type my blue or whatever color you would like, and then I click OK, and that's how you play with the color swatch. And now this color swatch can be applied to anything. For example, if you want to change the color of the text, all you have to do is click V, okay, so that you select the text box you want to color. And if you want to color the text, you have to click T so that you can select the text you want to color. And now I want to color it with my blue, so that's the color right there. As you can see, it's become a little bit colored, and that's how you color text. Now there's another important part to this. Now what would have happened if I just used V, selected this frame and colored something? Well, let's see. So mind you, I've selected a text frame, and let's say I click this. This colors the frame itself. It does not color the text. In order to color the text, like I said a moment back, you have to click the shortcut key T to select the type tool, and then you select the text you want to color and change the color accordingly. um, if you just click the frame gets colored. So this is also important to know.